Children, now you are clear about simple machine and the complex machine. So now we are going to study in detail about the simple machine. Children, whatever the work we are doing, some parts or we say that a simple machine that are making our work easier, but they are of different types. Accordingly, we will study now. First one is a inclined plane. We have 5 different types of simple machine: inclined plane, wedge, lever, wheel and the axle. Okay, pulley is also one of the simple machine. Now we will study about an inclined plane. Children, see this picture. 3 people have to load the drum in the truck. See how they are loading. First one is loading by having a plank which is in a slanting mode. Person B is also trying to load the drum in the truck, but his plank is not so slanting, it was somewhat straight. In the third picture, you are observing that a girl wants to load the drum in the truck, but what she is doing? She do not have any plank. She wants to load it on her own. So where the work will be done easily? Just think over it. You will find that the girl who do not have any plank will need more effort to load the truck into the truck. While in second case, as the plank is not so slanting, he also will need more effort to carry that drum in the truck. While in A case, you will observe that a person is carrying the drum very easily. Okay, children? His finding, is the weight of the drum changing? No. In all the cases, same drum is used, but due to the simple machine used, the work is becoming lighter and heavier. Okay. If a slanting plank is used to lift the weight, we have to bear the less weight and lifting it become the easier. Such a plank is called as an inclined plane. Okay. Such a plank is called as an inclined plane. The more gradual the slope, lesser is the weight we bear. Okay, but such an inclined plane is longer. The steeper the slope, shorter the inclined plane. Okay, children? Hence, we should have the plank, inclined plank, to lift the weight as it is a simple machine. It makes our work easier. We can say that the screw is also this nail with a groove. It is a simple machine. It is said to be an inclined plane. How can it be? For that you can perform a small activity. Take a white paper ABC in a triangular way, right angle triangle. Okay. Mark the line AC, which is an inclined one, by a red pen. After that, bind the paper around the pencil. You will observe that, come to the picture near the nail, you will observe that the red AC, which was the red line, when the paper was wound around the pencil, you will observe that it has a groove-like structure. Okay, that groove-like structure is helping us to do the work easier. Less force is required. You know that less force is required to fit the screw than to hammer a nail. Because of this screw, what happening? A screw is like a rolled up inclined plane made up of iron strip. It is a simple machine, and that's why it makes our work easier. You know, the winding road or a ghat where you goes up. Okay, it is just like the inclined plane wrapped around the mountain. It helps big vehicles to climb up and down the mountain easily. Okay, so inclined plane make our work easier. It is one of the important good simple machine. Children, you know Archimedes screw. Archimedes made a screw which helps to carry the water from the dam or from lower side to the upper side easily. Okay, this pipe have a groove and that is called as Archimedes screw. Yes, this is all about the inclined plane.